Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, January 9, 2012. Markets in the day bullish. We have the Dow up 33 points, up 0.27%. The S&P up 0.2%. The Nasdaq barely in the green, but small caps up 0.5%. Banks led the charge, up 0.94%. However, the VIX did not drop, but it went up. At one point, it was actually up 4% today. Now it's up more than 2%, up over 21. Gold down 0.5%, silver up 0.8%, and crude oil down 0.36%, and the US dollar finally taking a breather, down 0.35%, which did help the markets go bullish. All right. With that, we do see that the GDP is at 1.8, and that is a drop, and then which is bearish. And the unemployment rate went from 8.7 down to 8.5, which is a drop, but that is good. That is bullish for the markets. And we do see that the dollar index has been in a big time rally, up at a 15-month high, even with today's minor pullback. And we did see that the world's newest currency, the euro, it is at a 16-month low. Matter of fact, it's interesting how the news over there in Europe isn't affecting the markets like it would have been just a couple weeks ago, a month ago or so. And the market's kind of holding their own in this. And this Thursday we do have retail sales coming out pre-market, so that'll be the big news event this week. But check this out, we continue in this high base. I was talking about once we got up here, be looking for a pullback, or the most bullish thing that could happen is if we just build a base between these two bands, and sure enough, that's precisely what we have going on. We are staying above this 1275, 1276 area, and we're staying below this 1285 area. So there's our high base. The question is, how long will it last, and will we actually break out to the upside? We have a good chance of that happening. Long as the markets build a high base, it's taking a breather, it's catching its breath, and then it gives it a base or a foundation in which to jump off, or to continue up. It's called a flying plateau. So it goes high, 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 stumbles a little bit, goes higher, 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 and then plateaus, 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 and then a flying plateau where it takes off again. So that's not too bad here on the markets. GLD, something we've been looking at for all you gold bugs out there. We are dropping, and that is to be expected. We run up, 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 and if we go lower, especially if we can get below this 156 area, gold could be a sure possibility. So be watching that pretty closely. On the weekend edition, you can look at the weekly and monthly charts, because I do analyze those. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now, but one thing I will do is take a look at the banks daily. And here's one of those flying plateaus. We go higher, 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 plateau, plateau, plateau. It catches its breath, and it takes off flying. Flying plateau, high base breakout. And right now, we have the banks and the financials doing exceptionally well, and that will bode quite well here in the markets. Now, not everybody knows this. I've been trading 14 years, and going into February here. I've mentored over 600 individual students, and with the other mentors that we have, well over 12 to 1,500 individual students that we've mentored. I mentored for Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, and some other popular brands. And I'm also an institutional trader, and I will be teaching a group of individuals coming up here at a live online training session, so you don't have to leave your home. January 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, is Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And I'm going to be doing a free webinar. It's a 101 just trading webinar on trading psychology or psychological analysis. I'll be doing that this Wednesday, and after that I'll be talking about the mentorship. But if you want to join us, just click on events, or to the right of the website there, you'll see it. You can click and get registered for this class coming up Wednesday. I'll be sending out an email also, so be looking forward to that. So take care, safe trading, and hope to see you on Wednesday's call.